Hey, what's up you guys? It's Heather. So today I thought it would be fun if I took you through a tour of my room because it's where I spend most of my time and definitely one of my favorite places. Also, my hair is still wet because I just got out of the shower, so don't mind that. Another thing, I am super sunburned because I was at the beach all day yesterday and I didn't put on any sunscreen like an idiot. So don't be like me. If you go to the beach, please put on sunscreen. Can't really tell from the front except for my face is a little burnt and my chest is a little, but the back I am like red as a tomato. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So I thought I would start off at the door, and this is my door. So when you come in, on your right is this little mirror that I have. I got this mirror at Hobby Lobby and I made it out of shells. Then when you actually step into my room, I have this little black crate that has my penny board and my skateboard in it. And then above that, I have this giant calendar, which is from Target. And then above that, I have this picture that I took in Cozumel. So next you have my dresser. And on top of my dresser, this has like hair brushes, hair stuff, really just like hair stuff and random stuff that you need. And then I have some face sprays like the Mario Badescu spray and some tea tree water from Lush. Next, I have this little surfboard wooden panel. And then I got this plant from Target. And then I have a little candle from Bath & Body Works, and then some face creams and lip stuff and a jade roller and some oils. Next I have my AirPods, and then, oh god, and then this cute little mirror. This mirror is from Walmart. And then I have my keys, and then this is just some extra detangling spray. And then next to that, I have some barrettes, which I have zero clue how to style, and I just bought them on impulse. So if you have any tips for me on how to style barrettes, help me out. Next, I have this painting I did when I followed a Bob Ross painting. And then I have this little letterboard that says like and subscribe with a candle underneath. Some shells are over here, and this poop speaker. And then I have this mirror from Hobby Lobby, and it's really cute. And then I just put some little stickers at the bottom. And then this little sign also from Hobby Lobby that says life's a beach. Next to that, I have this little rug that's from Target in front of my full-length mirror, also from Hobby Lobby. So there's that. And then on the sides, I just have some cute little Polaroids of me and my friends. And then this is all my makeup stuff. So I have some makeup brushes in here, my makeup bag from Target, and then a bunch of different just makeup stuff, makeup wipes, different palettes over here, extra makeup lotion. That's really it. And then I got this cute little picture. My dad actually got it for me from Goodwill. It kind of chips, so I had to put black tape over it, but it's really cute. It's a ceramic little waves. And then I got this pot at Target with the leaves, and this bamboo stick is from my uncle's yard. And then on the wall over here, I got this at Home Goods, and it was actually only $12, and these things are normally so expensive, so I'm really happy about that. And then this is just an air purifier to clean out the air in my room, and then my trash can. Alright, next to that I have my window just with some nice white curtains, and this lighting is like messing up my filming. And then after that I have my bed area. So I have this cute little boho blanket from Target on my bed, and I don't know where my bedspread is from, but it's just a plain white duvet cover, and I just have some plain pillows. And then to the left of my bed, I have this little jewelry hanger from Target with some jewelry and a medal on it. And then I also have this colorful lamp from Target. Then on top of my bed, I just have a candle, some shells, a car, a boat, and a cup and a coconut. And these are all just some little decorations I've gotten. Then here I have some books and journals, and I have all my sunglasses in this cute little flower pot. In the middle I have an alarm clock, and then next to it I have some tissues, and then all my pens, pencils, and scissors, and some change, and then cute little blue mason jars with some markers in it. Above that, I have some pictures hung up by a string on above my bed, and then below that, I have this cute little bench from HomeGoods, and I have my laptop on it and my backpack, and then I have this little blanket which my mom actually got at a gas station, which is kind of crazy. And then I have my surfboard over here, and below it are just a few shoes that I like to wear like on the daily, so yeah. Next to that is my closet, and I just have some hooks, and this is just a bag that I normally like to take around. I also thought I would show you guys my closet. So this is the inside of my closet. It's kind of a mess. So over here I just have some paintings, and at the bottom I have my laundry bin, and then my bathing suit bin with my beach bag inside of it. Then this is a bin of all my extra shoes that I just don't wear as much. And then I have all of my clothes, obviously. And then at the top of my closet, I just have two bins with random stuff that I had no place for. And then this is an art bin with paint and paintbrushes, all that kind of stuff. This is my technology bin, so it has like my Polaroid, chargers, Beats, all that. This is my bag bin, which has a bunch of bags in it, and it has hats as well. Then these are some heels that I just got from Target, and then this Apple bag just holds all my belts, and then this holds all my receipts, and then I have a random Xbox One box up there. Then next to that, I have this little paintings that I got at a garage sale, and then this just wooden mirror that my mom actually got made at Michael's. I also have this rug on the floor, which is from HomeGoods as well. So that's gonna be all for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next video.